Now we will see some example of the test cases, tools. Testing tools, not test cases. So guys, there is many tools. Now I will try to show you some of them. And the course or the, and then it's based on you. I think it's better to explore all the tools and try to master some of them, at least some of them. Okay, so here I think I prepare one file and here a folder. Let's see first some tools that use for generating. For example, I told you it's Genie, right? It's used for generating the test cases. So I don't know if it will work or not, because sometimes it's need. I already checked, but sometimes it's not work, because this is also free tools. Just if you want it, you just check the website and how it's work. This is used to generate the test cases. As you know, guys, maybe one of the heavy task, which is generating, or the difficult task, is generating the test cases. So this tool used for generating the test cases. Okay, this is Genie. So maybe more information about it. It's just used for generating the test cases, the pairwise test cases. Okay, it's not open. Why? Maybe if not, we try another one. This is jar file. Yes, this is jar file. For example, this one, another one. They call it is visual pairwise test case analyze and generate. So this one, if you want to add, you should did configuration, and then you add the parameters here, or what they call it is the input. The input, for example, we have as per our example last time we add, right? Remember A, P, C. Of course, this is the input. That means you will be, for example, the numbers. For example, I want to test -1, 0, and 1. So this is the input. This is the first input. For example, X, Y, Z, or A, B, C. And then the value of each input. So now I want to add value for each input. As you say, I want okay, -1. I want also it's 0 and 1. So for example, this is the input, and then you will add for each one. It's make it easy. Also A, no, this is B, B1, and B2. C, the same thing, we'll add C1 and C2. So now we're done. So we have now I generate all the test cases. So this is the generate now the test cases, the pairwise, because this they call it is visual pairwise test case generation. So it's something like this. You can use it. It's free. All of them, even now Genie, it's free. Okay. Actually, also is my work. My work is also it's generate the test cases. I'm not sure it's here or not. I don't think it's here. So this is the first tools. It's easy tools. We have another one also. Okay, remember last time I told you there is a JUnit tools, and this will be in exercise. Maybe I should not go for this, but it's okay. JUnit also it's used for this some functions. You have one function, you want to test that function, so you can use a JUnit. So that's one. It's already in Eclipse. If you want to use Eclipse, just create yours, and then for example, run as see here. Maybe you see the output, but this is okay. How you do it? You have the functions here. You have the functions, right? For example, you have 3 functions here. I want to test one function, for example, the sum, this function. So what I have to do, I have to create one. This is more, that's why I just want to show you how, not the steps. Just want to show we have to create one class, and that's class. We call it test GUnit test. So for example, I go for any one. This is I think this one, it's the one you will see it in. Okay, here. For example, we have is the functions. Suppose, okay, let's see. No, this is the list of functions. I want to test this. So I have to go for the project name, and then just easy, it's not that difficult. Just here, add, we don't add class, we add GUnit class. GUnit class here, unit test cases. After we add it, you should to give a name. Okay, I will show you another class. Okay, like this, and then now you will write your test cases or GUnit class. So here I already write one. Yes, here. If you see here, for example, I have these are the test cases. These are the test cases. For example, A10, B12, and C. The result should be 22. So now I want to execute this. I want to check this. So I use this assert equals function, and this assert equal function. It will compare these two, which is the actual result, and the expected result. The expected result should be 22, but here the actual result, I run the methods, and then I compare this. So now I just run it. If bad, it will show you here it's pass. If no. Suppose now it's we sent the 25. 25 it show us that okay, this is the result is 25, but should be 22. So this is how to run the unit testing. For example, here, if I want, this is, guys, you will be in next exercise. See now, it's green. That means it's correct. If you think, okay, the expected result equal to the actual result. Another things, guys, we have here also, it's run coverage. This is also you add. This one tool can be added by from the market, from Eclipse market. It's free also. Okay. Okay, so here we don't do anything. Where is the main? I want the main function. For example, here it show you, for example, what happened now. For example, by running that's this cases, we cover everything. We cover all. This is also is tool use. Just they run your application, and then see what line it's include in the or cover by this cases or not. Okay, so for example here, all it's 100%, and then you will see the, I think should be here. Okay, I think I download many. For example, yes, this is the coverage. This is the coverage. You see here what happened and the percentage of coverage. Okay, this is another tool which is used for coverage. So guys, another tools. Let's see what I have here. So this is the coverage, and we have another tool to generate the test cases. Okay, later we back to it. This is the one I show you. Not exactly, not the same one, but it's similar. This is test data generation. That's one like Genie. This is the output of that one. Okay, guys. Also the GUnit I show you already, right? This is unit testing. We have the first one, which is GUnit 5 or GUnit 4. This is one. We have also XUnit is tool also to generate the test cases. Okay. Test execution. Okay, guys, test execution, which is the more, as you say, the most popular one is Selenium. Selenium used to execute the code. I have here one application. But how it's work, guys? The execution means it will run your application. It will run application, and then they will execute your application. For example, this is Selenium. It's easy, not that difficult, but it needs some programming skill. This one also, it's use documentation tools. Bugzilla, which is also, it's come from Mozilla website browsers. It's Bugzilla. So this is used for report any bugs, not only in Mozilla, but they use it. It's free there. You can use it. Okay, you can use it for your own, not only for Mozilla. Okay, even they write here, what do you want? Just for example, new bugs, and then okay. What happened? I'm not sure what. Okay, so okay, see. So here, guys, just maybe you say, okay, you just select if you want to report something in any bug in Firefox, any bug in this. Okay, can otherwise you can also another bugs. But this is also you can use it. You buy your not only to report something in your application can be used. If there is any bug in your application, you can also use this bug. It's just for you can say is bug management. Then you will assign, and then there is some information you have to key in, something like incidents or bug incidents report, something. Okay, where is this bug, and so what that is case is it's caused this bug. So there's some information you have to key in, and then after that you see if this bug is fixed, or you assign someone on this to solve this problem. So here also it can be used for not only for Mozilla bugs, but also your own bugs. It can be used. Another example also, which is Monty's. Also, it's used for bug tracking.